شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am the news reporter of Iqra Kids International School. We have a special news update today. The blessed month of Ramadan is beginning tomorrow. During this holy month, our Iqra Kids International School will be sharing 30 days of meaningful and inspiring Ramadan content. To increase our iman, we are so excited. Now let's hear about our weekly theme. Here we go.
Week 1. Purify your hearts. In this week, we will learn about intention, importance of fasting, how to prepare our heart for Ramadan.
Week 2. Strengthen your iman. In this week, we will focus on prayer, reading Quran, making dua, and building self-discipline.
Week 3. Spread kindness. This week is about charity, helping others, patience, and showing good characters. Week 4. Grow in Taqwa. In the final week, we will reflect our actions, learn about special nights, and prepare to continue good habits even after Ramadan.
Stay tuned, keep watching our video and increase your iman. Welcome Ramadan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.